Nvidia just released their latest quarter's earnings report, and the hottest stock on the market is remaining hot. We can see revenue came in at $26 billion when it was estimated at $24.69 billion, and earnings per share came in at $6.12 when it was estimated at $5.60. And they also announced a 1-for-10 stock split, and we can see the market already likes what they're seeing after hours. They're up around 4.55% in after hours, putting them at around $992.74 per share. Now, this stock was already red hot, like we already know. Over the past year, they were already up around 204%, and if we just zoom out and give it some perspective, over the past year, they're up almost 20,000% now. Let's go ahead and put things into perspective. If we jump over to my stock screener spreadsheet, which you can download on tickerdata.com and also get access to the Ticker Data add-on that allows you to automatically import stock financials, we'll come up here and plug in NVDA and hit enter. And again, you can see all this data will automatically load in thanks to Ticker Data. Now, like I mentioned just a moment ago, earnings per share came in at around $6.12 per share. So come over here and look at earnings per share over the past decade. We can see in 2013, it's sitting at about 23 cents, and in 2023, $1.76. So to put this into perspective, at a little over $6 of earnings per share, this would put their most recent quarter all the way somewhere right here. It's literally off the chart. And while it was expected that they had pretty high earnings per share, they still beat Wall Street expectations. If we look at the balance sheet breakdown for this company, we can see they are literally drowning in assets. Total current assets comes in at about $23 billion, while total current liabilities is only sitting at $6.5 billion. That gives them a current ratio of 3.52. That is really high. And then if we jump back over to the stock screener, we can see the free cash flow yield for this company is pretty ridiculous. It's 0.16%. This means there is major free cash flow growth priced into this company because you're having to pay a very high price per share for the free cash flow that you're currently getting. So let's go ahead and see how much free cash flow is currently priced into this stock. If we go ahead and jump over to my reverse discounted cash flow analysis model, basically what we're doing again is seeing how much free cash flow growth is priced into the stock. And as of right now, at the price it's trading at, we can see if there was 0% free cash flow growth priced in, the company would be trading at about $19.38 per share, but like we just stated, current price is sitting at $949.50, but after hours, it's about $968 as of right now. So let's go ahead and jump back over to our model. If we plug in 10% right here, we can see reverse DCF price per share of about $42.88. With a 25% free cash flow growth rate projection, the reverse DCF price per share jumps up to around $125. If we bump it up to around $32, it's now at $200. And if we bump this all the way up to around 58% free cash flow growth, I know it sounds pretty wild to think about, but we come to a reverse DCF price per share of about $951.36, which is right at the closing price of today. So essentially what the market is telling us is investors believe this company will be able to grow free cash flow at around 58% year over year for the next decade. And keep in mind that 58% is starting with 2023's free cash flow of $3.8 billion. So again, Nvidia beats expectations of their earnings report, and it pretty much seems like a rocket ship that can't be stopped. It'll be really interesting to see moving forward if they can attain that free cash flow growth that is currently priced in. So go ahead and let me know your thoughts on Nvidia stock in the comments down below. And again, like always, if you'd like to be able to download any of these spreadsheets and also get access to the Ticker Data add-on in Google Sheets that allows you to automatically import stock financials, you can head over to tickerdata.com at the link in the description. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.